ayọ̀, ọmọ mi dáadáa ni, ó ń ṣe dáadáa, ó tọ́jú bàbá ẹ̀ lórí ìtẹ́ yìí. Elizabeth ìtùnú ayọ̀, mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo fẹ̀kẹ́ bá mi kí dáadáa. Elizabeth ọmọ ní ìrìṣà, ó yá dídé dẹ́gàrí ẹ. Ìtùnú ayọ̀, ó máa ń ṣe dáadáa sí mi gan lórí ìtẹ́ yìí. Adéwàmí wá mo kí ẹ, ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ tí ò sí bí náà, Adéọlá, Tadéníkáwó àti Adébùkún mi, gbogbo yìí o, lágbára Ọlọ́run ló máa rí ẹgbẹ́ fún mi o. Gbogbo àdáwọlé àwọn èèyàn ṣe rí. Lákòótán, mo fẹ́ kí ènìyàn kan pàtàkì bí olùdarí iléeṣẹ́ Next Oil tó jẹ́ bàbá, torí pé bàbá tó bí olórí Mariam Ajíbọ́lá Ànókò wọ́n ti jáde láyé, ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ṣe bí bàbá fún. Mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn, mo fẹ́ kí wọn bàbá dúdú yẹn ní ẹ ṣe ìwé kó àgbà ọ, ṣe balẹ̀ dúdú yẹn ní ẹ ṣe púpọ̀, ẹ pẹ́ fún wa o, ẹ máa wọlé o, ẹ máa wọlé ẹ kó àgbà. I have a very beautiful family in our midst. They are part of us. They have been wonderful to me on this throne. The journey on this throne over the last 7 years. And the truth be told, to everybody in English, for my togetherness with Mariam Ajibola, they are the boss of Mariam. They own Next Oil, Dr. and Dr. Mrs. Obiekesiku. I greet them very well, please. I want you to give them a resounding round of applause. She's a mother. I will start from her. She's a boss to Mariam, and she's a friend. This woman that you are looking at, she has really rubbed off on us so positively well. I have to say it today to appreciate you. I delayed this program for me to say this because your positivity in terms of humility, in terms of respect for your husband, Mariam picked a lot from you. Please, if you can all do me this favor, I want you to give her a standing ovation, please. Please, do this for me, clap for her. She really, she doesn't know this, but this is the highlight of our today's togetherness. She did so well in molding her. She will say to her, that look, your husband is your God on the surface of the heart. for your maturity, for your patience, for your persistence. You've been very consistent in everything. Left to me, I was just probably saying as well those women. But at least in life, when you close your eyes, you want all the blessed people to pass. The good people will even pass at the same time. But to the glory of God, I didn't close my eyes. Thank God for your life. Please clap for her. Way your boss is always telling you, it's patient. This institution is bigger than me, beyond me. People in this palace, we are more than 800 people, close to 1,000 people. Some people have spent 60 years in this palace, 80 years in this palace. We have some people in this palace, they are over 100 years old. It's an institution that if I have my way, I try to challenge it. But actually, it blew to my face, thank God I'm still alive. And to the glory of God, it's an institution that is so rich in heritage, culture, and tradition. It's all about patience. I want to tell you, please, there's a strong virtue in patience. Be patient, God bless you, and God bless all of you. Thank you very much. I could like you.